हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल फार्मा प्लेनेट। आज इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन ऑन रिग्रेशन, प्रोबेबिलिटी एंड सैम्पलिंग। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन दैट इज ऑन रिग्रेशन। इन रिग्रेशन एनालिसिस, इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल इज ऑल्सो नोन एज रिग्रेसर, प्रेडिक्टर, एक्सप्लेनेटरी वेरिएबल, ऑल ऑफ अबव और नन ऑफ अबव। Over here the answer is D, that is all of above. The equation for the standard error of the regression S is option A, n into sigma in bracket xy minus sigma x sigma y divided by n sigma in bracket x square minus sigma x square. Option B, sigma y minus m sigma x divided by n. Option C, under root sigma in bracket y minus y dash raised to 2 divided by n minus 2. Option D, sigma x y divided by under root sigma x square into y square. Over here the correct answer, सही आंसर यहाँ पे है, that is C, that means under root sigma y minus y dash square divided by n minus 2. That is on a probability. What is probability of head when tossing coin one time? Option A 1, option B 2, option C 1.5, option D that is 0.5. यहाँ पे करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, दैट मीन्स 0.5. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ 3 व्हेन थ्रोइंग डाइस वंस? ऑप्शन ए 1/6, ऑप्शन बी 2/6, ऑप्शन सी 3/6, ऑप्शन डी 1 और ऑप्शन ई नन ऑफ अबव. द करेक्ट आंसर इज ए 1/6. In probability theory, two events are said to be mutually exclusive if they cannot occur at the same time or simultaneously. True or false? ये true है या false है sentence, वो यहाँ पे कहना है. Option A that is true, option B that is false. The correct answer is true. That means A, that is correct answer. Question 6. If one event is unaffected by the outcome of another event, the two events are said to be A dependent, B independent, C mutually exclusive, D all of the above, or E both B and C. Over here the correct answer is option B, that means independent event. Next question, which is true for probability of an event P? A 0 less than equals to P less than equals to 1, option B 0 less than P less than equals to 1, 0 less than equals to P less than 1, option D 0 less than P less than 1, or option E that is none of above. Over here the correct answer, that is option A, that means 0 less than equals to P less than equals to 1. 5 coins are thrown simultaneously, find the chances of getting 4 head. Option A 5/64, option B 7/64, ऑप्शन सी 1/64 और ऑप्शन डी नन ऑफ अबव. यहाँ पे सही आंसर है, करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए 5/64. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, पी एक्स दैट इज इक्वल्स टू लैम्बडा रेज टू एक्स इंटू ई रेज टू माइनस लैम्बडा डिवाइडेड बाई एक्स फैक्टोरियल, इक्वेशन दैट स्टैंड्स फॉर बाइनोमियल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, पॉइजन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन और ऑल ऑफ द अबव. यहाँ पे सही आंसर है, करेक्ट आंसर इज बी, दैट इज द पॉइजन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. Next question, for normal distribution which statement is false? Option A, for normal distribution mean is equals to median is equals to mod. B, it is symmetric about the center. Option C, 50% of value less than the mean and 50% greater than the mean, और option D that is none of above. यहाँ पे सही आंसर है, करेक्ट आंसर that is D, none of above, that is false. Next question, Gaussian distribution is known as normal distribution, binomial distribution, Poisson distribution or random distribution. The correct answer is A, that is the normal distribution. Next question, that is on a sampling. Which is not probability sampling technique? Option A simple random sampling, option B stratified random sampling, option C cluster random sampling, or D quota sampling. Or here the correct answer is D, that is the quota sampling. Next question, which is not non-probability sampling technique? Snowball sampling, purposive sampling, cluster random sampling or quota sampling? The correct answer is C, cluster random sampling. Next question, Non-probability sampling technique involves random selection, true or false? The answer is false. Next question. Purposive sampling technique is also known as snowball sampling, haphazard sampling, quota sampling, judgmental sampling. The correct answer is D, judgmental sampling. Next question. That is one hypothesis. Null and alternative hypothesis cannot be true and only one of them must be true. True or false? ये सेंटेंस ट्रू है या फॉल्स है ये हमें कहना है. ऑप्शन ए ट्रू, ऑप्शन बी फॉल्स. द करेक्ट आंसर दैट इज ट्रू. द सेंटेंस इज ट्रू. Next one. When the prediction does not specify the direction, the hypothesis is called blank hypothesis. A, left tail, B, right tail, option C, one tail, or option D, two tail. The correct answer is D, two tail. The error arises at the time of rejecting the null hypothesis when it is true is called type 1 error. True or false? The given statement that is true. The error arises at the time of accepting the hypothesis H0 when it is false is called a type 2 error. True or false? The statement that is true. The statistical power ranges from 0 to 1, minus 1 to 0, minus 1 to 1, or 0 to infinite. The correct answer is A, 0 to 1. Next question. Level of significance is denoted by A, option A, gamma, option B, alpha, option C, beta, or option D, sigma. Or here the correct answer is option B, alpha. Next question. Equation for standard error of mean is A, sigma divided by under root n, B, lambda raised to x e raised to minus lambda divided by x factorial, option C, under root sigma y minus y dash raised to 2 divided by n minus 2, or option D, sigma x y divided by under root sigma x square into y square. The correct answer that is A, that means sigma divided by under root n. Next question. For testing hypothesis, if size of sample is n, what is the value of n for large sample? N that is equals to 30, n that is greater than 30, n that is less than 30, n greater than or equal to 30. The correct answer is option D, n that is greater than or equals to 30. Next question. For large sample, the sampling distribution of statistic is Z, T, F, or X square, that means chi square. The correct answer that is A, that means Z. The next question. Which is the equation for Z test? Z test statistical for large sample. Option A, x square minus mu 0 divided by sigma divided by n. Option B, x square minus mu 0 divided by sigma divided by under root n. Option C, x bar minus mu 0 divided by n, or option D, x bar minus mu 0 divided by sigma. Over here the correct answer that is the B, that means x bar minus mu 0 divided by sigma divided by under root n. The next, what will be the Z value when the given parameter are sample mean is equals to 600, population mean है यहाँ पे 585, the standard deviation is 100 and the sample size is 150. Then what is the value of Z that we have to find? Now over here the option A that is 1, option B 1.837, option C 1.3 and option D that is 1.1. तो correct answer यहाँ पे है that is 1.837, option B. Next question. A sample of 100 pharmacy student is taken with height having the standard deviation equals to 10 centimeter. The mean height of sample of student is found 168.8 centimeter. Can we accept that the mean height of the student is 170 centimeter? Calculated value of z is 1 by 2. Now the option A, that is yes, option B no, option C not sure, option D cannot be predicted. Now the correct answer over here, that is option A, that means yes. Next question. In the B.Pharm examination, 50 boys in a college scored mean percentage was 75 with standard deviation 9, and 60 girls in same examination score mean grade score, that is 79 with standard deviation of 7. Which sentence is correct for the performance of boys and girls? यहाँ पे अल्फा लिमिट है, that is 0.05. Now the option A, that is the performance of boys and girls are same. Option B, performance of boys and girls are not same. Option C, performance of boys and girls cannot be predicted. Option D, performance of boys are better than performance of girls. यहाँ पे correct answer है, correct answer is option B, performance of boys and girls are not same. The next question. We commit a type 1 error when we reject a null hypothesis when it is really true. True or false? The answer is, the sentence is true. Next question. If the critical value of z is 1.96, then the significance level of one-tail test is 0.05. True or false? The correct answer is false. A 1% significance level provides greater confidence to the decision than a 5% significance level. True or false? The statement, that is true. When the null hypothesis is H0 is equals to mu, that means null hypothesis is equals to mu is equals to 50, that means mean is equals to 50. The alternative hypothesis can be H1 mu is equals to 49, H1 mu is not equals to 49, H1 mu is less than 50, or H1 mu is greater than or equals to 50. The correct answer, that is answer C, mu, that is less than 50, that means mean, that is less than 50. Next question. For a two-tail test of hypothesis at alpha is equals to 0.05, the acceptance region is between the two critical values, outside the two critical values, to the left of the positive critical value, to the right of the negative critical value. The correct answer is answer A, that is between the two critical values. The next question. When a null hypothesis is rejected, then it is possible that a type 2 error has been made, a correct decision has been made, neither A nor B has occurred, or option D, both A and B have occurred, or option E, none of this. यहाँ पे correct answer है B, a correct decision has been made. Next question. For a two-tail test, when n is large, the value of z at 0.05 level of significance is option A 1.645, option B 2.58, option C 1.96, and option D none of this. The correct answer is option C 1.96. When alpha is changed from 0.5 to 0.1, the probability of rejecting the null hypothesis that is actually true increases, decreases, remain the same, or all of the above. The correct answer is option B, decreases. In performing a hypothesis test, when we choose a significance level of 0.05, it means that our risk in accepting a hypothesis which is false is 1%. Our minimum standard for acceptable probability is 5%. Our risk in rejecting a hypothesis which is true is 5%. Option D, A and B only. Option E, B and C only, or option F, A and C only. The correct answer is E, B and C only. That means our minimum standard for acceptable probability is 5% and our risk in rejecting hypothesis which is true is 5%. The next question. Assuming that we want to test whether a population mean is significantly smaller or larger than 50, what should be our alternative hypothesis? mu less than 50, mu greater than 50, mu is equals to 50, or from the information given it is not possible to determine. The correct answer over here is answer C, mu that is not equals to 50. Next question. For a hypothesis test, we have taken a sample of 20 and x bar computed at a significance level of 0.05. Where should we look for the critical value? Option A, the Z table, where 0.95 of the area is to be to the left of the Z value. The Z table, where 0.90 of the area is to the left of the Z value. The T table, where with 19 degree of freedom the column heading 0 is 0.05. The T table, where with 19 degree of freedom the column heading is 0.10. The correct answer is C, the T table, where with 19 degree of freedom the column heading is 0.05. In a hypothesis test, alpha is equals to 0.05 and beta is equals to 0.10. The power of the test is 0.95, 0.10, 0.90 or none of above. The correct answer is answer C, 0.90. A statement made about a population for testing purpose is called statistic, hypothesis, level of significance or test statistic. The correct answer is B, hypothesis. If P, Q and N are probability of success, failure and number of trial respectively in a binomial distribution, what is standard deviation? Option A, under root NP, option B, under root P into Q, option C, N into P square, option D, under root NPQ. The correct answer is D, under root NPQ. It is suitable to use binomial distribution only for large value of n, fractional value of n, small value of n or any value of n. The correct answer is C, small value of n. Binomial distribution is a continuous distribution, discrete distribution, irregular distribution, not a probability distribution. The correct answer is binomial distribution is B, discrete distribution. Next question. If the assumed hypothesis is tested for rejection, considering it to be true is called null hypothesis, statistical hypothesis, simple hypothesis or composite hypothesis. The correct answer is A, null hypothesis. Next question. A statement whose validity is tested on the basis of sample is called null hypothesis, statistical hypothesis, simple hypothesis or composite hypothesis. The correct answer is B, statistical hypothesis. Next question. If the null hypothesis is false, then which of the following is accepted? Null hypothesis, positive hypothesis, negative hypothesis, alternative hypothesis. The correct answer that is D, alternative hypothesis. Normal distribution is applied for continuous random distribution, discrete random variable, irregular random variable or uncertain random variable. The correct answer is A, continuous random distribution. Next question. The shape of the normal curve is bell shape, flat, circular or spiked. The correct answer is A, bell shaped. Next question. Normal distribution is symmetric about variance, mean, standard deviation or covariance. The correct answer is B, mean. Next question. The area under a standard normal curve is 0, 1, infinite or not defined. The correct answer is B, 1. Next question. For a standard normal variate, the value of standard deviation is 0, 1, infinite or not defined. The correct answer is B, that means 1. Next question. The shape of the normal curve depends on its mean deviation, standard deviation, quartile deviation or correlation. The correct answer is B, standard deviation. Next. The value of constant E appearing in normal distribution is 2.5185, 2.7836, 2.1783 or 2.7183. The correct answer is D, 2.7183. Next question. Blank of the following sampling method, which is probability method, judgment, quota, simple random or convenience. The correct answer is C, simple random of the following sampling method, which is probability method. So over here we discuss the MCQ about the regression, probability and sampling. Please like this video, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe this channel Pharma Planet. Thank you for watching this video.